to explore this terminal. You can click the terminal, you can click from here. I'll open the terminal, which is like that, or you can control Alt and T at the same time. Control Alt T at the same time. Control Alt T. Control plus Alt plus T on your keyboard. So that's your terminal. T for terminal. So Control Alt T. I know you guys are gonna struggle, and when I used first Linux I was struggling too, couldn't remember this Control Alt T, but as the time goes by it becomes second nature to you. So or one day you just Control Alt T and the terminal opens. That's it. Okay, the first things we do is learn how to update, because Ubuntu needs update all the time. One thing with the Ubuntu is you have to update it all the time. So we go there as sudo is sudo apt update. That's the first thing we do. Okay, so it needs a password now, so I'm gonna put my password. It's not showing you password like any other operating system, but it's hidden. The password thing is hidden. So now it's gonna update all my softwares, whatever is inside this computer. So while it's updating, I'm gonna write it here. The command we used is sudo apt update, and we're gonna use our username, whatever password. Okay, so once it's done, I'm gonna show you guys the next one. The next one I'm gonna show while this is updating is, because you need to learn at the same time, is sudo apt upgrade. So the next one is going to be sudo apt upgrade, because we want to upgrade things. So if the Ubuntu's got a new file system for us, we want to upgrade it. So if it's got new settings or any other things for us, system, whatever's utilities, it can upgrade. Our libraries, it can upgrade. So now it's going to at 34%, so it might take about few seconds or sometime in minutes for the Ubuntu to update itself. Alright guys, looks like this is finished. Okay, so the update is finished. Now we go to the second one, which is sudo apt upgrade. I'm going to tell you guys what this apt means later on. I don't want to confuse you at the moment. So the next ones, which is very important, so if you put a clear, it clears the screen. So we just type clear, it clears the screen. So the first one we typed is sudo apt update. So this one updates the Linux, Ubuntu, whatever. So the second one is sudo apt upgrade. Okay, because I already put my did you guys notice it's not requiring any password, because I already mentioned I already put my password. So once you put your password, I think it's it's got a time or whatever, it doesn't need it, not requiring the password, because the system is very clever, already knows that you already logged in. So it says that I want to upgrade these things, are you happy, do you want to continue? And we say yes, of course we want to continue. One thing is tip is, you guys, when you have any systems, you continue updating and upgrading it, because any software vulnerabilities or any weaknesses they find for the bad guys, because the bad guys are already on the constant watch to exploit any weakness in any operating system, not just Linux, Windows as well, and Mac as well, Apple as well. So, and we developers are already continuously and tirelessly, whatever you call it, they'll do it day and night to try to patch up and make update available for all this operating system, because if they infect one computer, one systems, they can infect many, you can say millions of systems. And but luckily with the Ubuntu, with the things, because it's free and because it's open source and because it has a very big community of programmers working, it's very hard for the viruses to infect systems. I'm not saying that it's not going to be 100%. It's up to the programmers always which sites you go, which site you use. If you go, say, what I'll do, I'll mainly use it for programming purposes, and that should be fine, because if you go to programming stuff, things like that, that should be quite good, no problem. But if you go to other sites, I don't want to mention it, but I don't know, I can't tell you. So but if you say if you download a infected file or something, that's another story. In later lectures or videos, I'll tell you guys how to protect yourself from the malicious software, so you can install anything like Clem TK. It's command line as well as graphical GUI interface antivirus. So now it's going on 88%. Alright guys, finished the upgradation, whatever you call it, is finished. So now we go for another function, another command. So this time we can do it together if you want. So the first one, you remember we typed in sudo apt update. I'll clear the screen. Okay, so the first one we typed is sudo apt update, yeah, and the second one was sudo apt upgrade. You guys can do it together too. So before I'll finish the video, I'll show you guys. You just put a two end at the moment, at the end, and in the middle, and you just put a sudo apt upgrade, and you put a minus dash y. So that's the same commands as we typed in before, but this time we do it all in one line. So to save time, and yeah, you can do it very quickly. If you want, you can update it and you can upgrade at the same time. Plus dash y means yes. So now we put our passwords again. So you guys, it's continuously asked for the password, so now it's going to do all the way there, update, plus it's going to start doing upgrade things, and it's not requiring me again to say do you want to continue. If you press yes, it doesn't need anything. So because it's going to go, because we already updated and we already upgraded, is that's it. It's not requiring anything to update or upgrades. So that's it guys. I'll see you guys for the next video, and I'll show you further. We go dive deeper into the world of Linux and Ubuntu, and we can see we can do a lot of other cool stuff with Linux and Ubuntu, and I'll show you guys how Ubuntu is going to make the life so much easier, and it makes the life if you're programming, if you're a new programmer or experienced programmer, or if you're working in any field, Ubuntu makes the life so much easy. The loading times and everything is so fast. Plus the positive side is everything is free. You don't need to pay anything. So that's it, you guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.